So I just had to make a quick run to the store because we didn't have any pasta and we're having pasta salad at a picnic today. Some friends invited us to go to a beach for beach day. So I gotta quickly hit the store for that, and then we're gonna be on our way to the beach. That is always sketchy, wondering if the car is going to start. I think the battery's going bad. Anyway, I'm going to run these noodles home. We're going to hit the beach. So we just got to the beach a little while ago, and I got some footage of it, so I'll cut it in at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was so short. See if we can get a longer one tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day. Gotta fix my car. So until next time, keep rolling with the random.